When your Verizon account gets locked after too many login attempts, it's actually a security feature designed to protect your personal information and account from unauthorized access. As of 2025, Verizon has significantly enhanced its security measures to better protect customer accounts from cyber threats and unauthorized access attempts. The system now includes multi-factor authentication, which requires additional verification steps beyond just your password, and AI-powered fraud detection that can identify suspicious login patterns in real time. There are several common triggers that can cause your Verizon account to become locked. Understanding these triggers can help you avoid lockouts in the future. Verizon uses 3 different types of account locks, each with varying durations and resolution methods depending on the severity of the security concern. Understanding these security measures helps you recognize that account lockouts are protective features, not punishments. In the next section, we'll explore the specific steps you can take to unlock your account and prevent future lockouts. When your Verizon account gets locked, there are several effective methods to regain access. We'll start with self-service options that you can try immediately. The simplest method is to wait for the automatic unlock. Most Verizon account lockouts expire automatically after 15 minutes to 24 hours, depending on the security trigger. If you can't wait, try SMS or email verification. Verizon will send an unlock code to your registered phone number or backup email address. You can also answer your preset security questions or use the My Verizon mobile app, which often has streamlined recovery tools built right in. If self-service methods don't work, Verizon offers multiple customer service channels to help unlock your account with human assistance. Call Verizon customer service at 1-800-VERIZON. This is available 24/7, and representatives can verify your identity and unlock your account immediately. Use the online chat feature through the My Verizon website portal. This provides real-time assistance without waiting on hold. Visit a Verizon store in person with a photo ID. Store representatives can verify your identity and unlock your account on the spot. You can also reach out via social media at @Verizon Support on Twitter or Facebook for quick assistance with account issues. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are the best practices to prevent future account lockouts and keep your Verizon account secure. Use a password manager to create and store strong, unique passwords. This eliminates the risk of forgotten passwords while maintaining security. Enable multi-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of security while providing alternative ways to verify your identity. Regularly update your security questions and backup contact information. Also monitor your account activity through Verizon's security dashboard to catch issues early. Finally, here's a quick troubleshooting checklist to follow whenever you encounter an account lockout. First, verify what type of lockout you're experiencing and how long it will last. Check Verizon's status page for any system-wide issues that might be affecting multiple users. Try the self-service recovery options we discussed: waiting, SMS verification, security questions, or the mobile app. If self-service doesn't work, contact Verizon customer service through your preferred channel with identification ready for verification. Remember, most account lockouts resolve quickly with the right approach. Following these steps will get you back into your Verizon account efficiently and help prevent future lockouts.